The blue whale, the largest animal ever to have lived on our planet, is a marvel of natural engineering, an immense and elegant creature that glides through the world's oceans with surprising grace. To truly appreciate the wonder of the blue whale, it's essential to explore its anatomy, from the tip of its massive head to the fluke of its powerful tail. Every part of this giant has evolved to meet the unique challenges of a life spent entirely at sea, and each feature tells a fascinating story about adaptation, survival, and the wonders of evolution. Let's begin with the sheer scale of the blue whale. An adult blue whale can reach lengths of up to 100 feet, roughly the length of 3 school buses lined up end to end, and can weigh as much as 200 tons or about 400,000 pounds. Despite their incredible size, blue whales are streamlined and hydrodynamic, their bodies shaped to minimize resistance as they move through the water. Their skin is a mottled blue-gray color, often appearing blue under the water's surface, which gives the species its name. At the front of the blue whale is its enormous head, which alone can make up a quarter of its total body length. The head is broad, flat, and U-shaped, with a prominent ridge running from the blowhole to the top of the upper lip. The blue whale's mouth is truly colossal, capable of holding up to 90 metric tons of water and food in a single gulp. This is because blue whales are filter feeders, a feat made possible by a remarkable structure called baleen. Inside the mouth, rather than teeth, blue whales have between 300 and 400 baleen plates hanging from the upper jaw. These plates are made of keratin, the same protein found in human fingernails and hair. Each plate is fringed with fine hair-like bristles that act as a sieve. When a blue whale feeds, it opens its jaws wide and engulfs a massive volume of water teeming with tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. As the whale closes its mouth, it forces the water out through the baleen plates, trapping the krill inside to be swallowed. The blue whale's tongue is another marvel. It can weigh as much as an elephant and is incredibly muscular. It presses against the baleen to help push water out and retain prey. The lower jaw is flexible and can expand dramatically thanks to special pleated grooves or ventral pleats that run from the chin down the belly. These grooves allow the throat to balloon outward during feeding, increasing the volume the whale can take in. Moving upward, the blue whale's nostrils are located on top of its head. These are called blowholes, and the blue whale has 2 of them side by side. When the whale surfaces to breathe, it exhales a powerful spout of air, water vapor, and mucus that can rise up to 30 feet into the air. The blow is one of the most distinctive sights in the ocean, signaling the presence of a blue whale from miles away. Beneath the skin, the blue whale's body is supported by a sturdy skeleton. The skull is massive and thick to support the huge mouth muscles. The backbone, or vertebral column, is made of large vertebrae that provide strength but also flexibility, allowing the whale to undulate as it swims. Unlike land mammals, the blue whale's pelvis is reduced, the remnants of its evolutionary land ancestors, and it has no functional hind limbs. The blue whale's heart is the largest of any animal, weighing as much as 1/300 pounds, about the size of a small car. This powerful organ beats slowly, only 5 to 6 times per minute, but it pumps enormous volumes of blood throughout the whale's body. The circulatory system supports the whale's enormous muscles, delivering oxygen that allows it to dive deep and travel long distances. The lungs are enormous too, allowing a blue whale to take in a single breath containing nearly 5,000 liters of air. When diving, the whale's ribcage and lungs can collapse under pressure, reducing buoyancy and preventing damage from the immense forces of the deep ocean. Along the sides of the blue whale's body are its flippers, or pectoral fins. These are relatively short compared to the whale's overall length, usually about 12 feet long. They provide steering and maneuverability, helping the whale to make turns and stabilize itself in the water. The flippers are supported by bones similar to those in a human hand, another remnant of the whale's terrestrial ancestry. At the rear, the blue whale's tail, or fluke, is truly spectacular. Measuring up to 25 feet across, the fluke is shaped like a wide, triangular paddle. It is composed of tough, fibrous tissue and is used to propel the whale through the water with powerful up and down strokes. When a blue whale dives, it often raises its tail high above the surface, creating a breathtaking display of strength and grace. Running along the whale's back is a small triangular dorsal fin, located far behind the midline of the body. Unlike the tall dorsal fins of some dolphin species, the blue whale's dorsal fin is relatively short, usually no more than a foot high. It is thought to provide stability as the whale swims. The blue whale's skin is smooth and relatively thin, but beneath the skin lies a thick layer of blubber, sometimes a foot thick or more. This blubber insulates the whale from cold ocean temperatures, stores energy, and helps with buoyancy. The sensory organs of the blue whale are also remarkable. Their eyes are small, about the size of a grapefruit, and are located on either side of the head, allowing the whale to see in the dim light of the ocean. Blue whales have excellent hearing, capable of detecting low-frequency sounds over vast distances. They communicate with other whales using deep, rumbling vocalizations that can travel through the ocean for hundreds or even thousands of miles. Even the reproductive system of the blue whale is adapted for a life at sea. Blue whales are mammals and give birth to live young. A newborn calf is already one of the largest animals on Earth, measuring about 23 feet long and weighing up to 3 tons. The mother's mammary glands produce rich milk to help the calf grow quickly during its first year of life. From its baleen plates to its massive heart, from its streamlined body to its powerful fluke, every aspect of the blue whale's anatomy is a testament to the adaptability and majesty of life in the ocean. The blue whale is not only a symbol of nature's grandeur, but also a living connection to the deep history of our planet, reminding us of the mysteries still waiting to be discovered beneath the waves.